Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today, and in this video I would love to share with you a great, very simple recipe for the mask that you could use for blemished skin. And the main ingredient, as you can see here, would be the butternut squash. So it's in season, but if you don't have it fresh, let's say, you could also buy it frozen. So this is actually the fresh butternut squash. So what you need to do is to cook the butternut squash. You could cook it, on the stove. You could put it in the Instant Pot, pretty much anywhere, you normally cook your butternut squash. Then we should need to puree this squash. As far as the amounts, let's first see how we puree it. You could use a food processor, a blender for that purpose. But usually the amount is so little, I don't bother and just do like this. Once we have the squash pureed, we just need to prepare the mask, and for that purpose I'm going to take another bowl here. As far as the amounts, we shall need 1 tablespoon of the squash, and the second ingredient is going to be honey. We shall need another tablespoon of that. As far as honey, you should always try to get the organic raw unfiltered honey, or if you know a good local farm with the honey, that's also great. So we're just mixing this too. There is only one ingredient left, and that would be tea tree oil. Well, essential oils for the skin, for the blemished, acne-prone skin, are very, very powerful. So let me just tell you, honey we're using here because it would help to really brighten the skin. It's also antibacterial. It has these properties to have our skin look glowing. And then we're using tea tree oil because it definitely helps to fight the blemishes. It's really great for the acne prone skin, and this mask together will really have a big anti-acne punch. And the squash also helps to boost collagen. I think that's really important, so we have all in one. Now for the tea tree oil, we shall need only 2 drops. So with the essential oil, it's always very important never to overdo, and less is more. So once we just mix it, it will have a little runny consistency, but this is okay. And as with any mask, you need to apply it on their clean skin, and if you could steam your face a little bit before that, it would definitely increase the benefits of this mask. You could make it in advance and store it in the jar, with the lid, but I always love to prepare, things like DIY like this without any preservatives fresh. And I almost always have fresh butternut squash on hand. Really hope you guys like this video. If you have acne prone skin and you want to use natural products, the DIY products, I think butternut squash is a great solution here, so you could experiment and see how you love it. It's very simple, and please share in the comments if you like this mask. I would definitely come up with a lot more masks that simple for acne prone skin, because sometimes you need something simple, but your skin will definitely love it. That's what I'm aiming for. So thanks again. I wish you to stay very happy, very healthy, have beautiful and glowing skin. Don't forget to love yourself. Don't forget to enjoy your life, and I will see you in my next video.